Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is the Checkered Chef stainless steel cooling rack, and I love this cooling rack mainly because I've never had one. I've gone 12 years without having a cooling rack, and I just put my cookies on my kitchen counter, but this is so much better. So the features of a cooling rack, of course, is that it cools your food. It keeps it up off your counter, allowing the entire food to cool. For instance, pizza, I love to put it on this because the bottom crust doesn't get soggy, it stays nice and crisp, along with a lot of other desserts or foods that you want to go ahead and cool. The stainless steel feature allows it to go into the dishwasher or wash by hand. It cleans up really good, super easy. It has divots in the back as well, and that allows you to keep it up off your counter. So overall, I would say this is a great product to get if you're looking for a cooling rack. It's a quality product, and don't wait 12 years like I did. Try to get one for yourself a little bit sooner, but that's just my point of view.